What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another good thing. Today we are back with this liquor candy machine, and reloading is easy. You just have to do that. But to show you how to work it and reload and the mechanism. So, firstly, you see that this part is locked. You can't get it. And this part is non-necessary. You can't get any money because, yeah. And if you want to put 5 cents from Australia inside, let's just show you, it doesn't work. And if you want to put a penny, then it does work. And sometimes it will get stuck because, like, if you get this part and then that part of it falls down, then it will make it lock. So, and yeah. So let's just show you again. You put the penny inside, and then you get that. You pull the tray, you get your candy, push it back, can't get any more. And the owner of the machine couldn't get it out, so then you take the secret key, push it in, pop it in, of course, and just push it. And it loads up to like, it loads up to 2 rounds. So then, guys, this piece just fell off, so I just need to let the piece that fell, okay, because it fell into parts. And, oh yeah, you get your money out. And the second round, oh yeah, you still can't put 5 cents. If you put a penny, let's put it to the side, just like this, so that you can see. Get your gumball, and the mechanism is just right here, hidden with these. Let's just, so first I'm gonna do, okay, firstly, so this money pushes that, and there's a slope there. So when you put it in, then it will fall inside, and then because it's right there, it will just fall. And then you get your candy, you pop it back in, and you can take your money. Without the these lids on, this will work, but yeah. So, and reloading is simple. But also the mechanism of here is just pull. And I'll show you the tutorial on the other one. So, just put that in, and we can just place this right there. This is this simple Lego candy machine. Simple Lego candy machine. Yeah, so make sure to smash that like button. So, bye.